We're at the Ameristar Casino, and this is the set of hotel elevators. This is a really neat interior.
What?
He meant baby to me.
Okay. Oh, I was like, thank you, sweetheart. Only one baby in here.
Just making everybody laugh.
Yeah. Have a good one, bro.
Have a good one. Always have funny interactions in casinos. Take one more ride. Here we go. Whoa, that is some harsh rollback. These things go. How fast are these? 350. Watch that roll back. It's not as bad on the way down. Whew. These things are pretty quick for 5 floors. Anyway, this is a really nice lobby too. That lobby, if it ever closes.